Hi, welcome back to Yoruba Mom's Cooking. My name is Monet, and today we're going to be cooking omelette and sweet potato the Yoruba Mom's way. Okay, so the ingredients are egg, which we're going to break into this cup, and we're going to season it. So egg, avocado oil, almond milk, and I'll be explaining about that, and onion. And what's going to make it omelette is extra stuff that you add to it and how you turn it in the pan. So today we're going to be using sardine. There are so many different kinds. Okay, this is sardine with water, and this one is sardine in oil. I just want to show you this. I'm going to be using the one in water. So, and then we're going to be seasoning it with chicken bouillon, and just add a little turmeric into it, and also some garlic pepper. Some garlic with pepper. Again, we're going to be using for seasoning bouillon and turmeric and garlic, which has black pepper in it. The black pepper, it gives the turmeric a kick. That's why I want to use the one with black pepper. Okay, you can add anything in it. That's why it's called omelette. You know, it's like you add all stuff to it. It's different from scrambled egg. The way I'm going to be preparing it, first of all, I'm going to prepare the yam, which I already cut some. I rinsed it in water, and then remove the top, opposite ends a little bit, tiny opposite ends, and then I cut it into small pieces. If you want to use African yam, you do it the same way. But I like the sweet potato yam because of the healthy part of it. Okay, so because the yam is going to cook, it'll take longer to cook, I'm going to start cooking the yam, and then I'm going to show you another way of cooking the yam, which is the microwave way. This one is on stove top. Because it's sweet already, I don't add salt. So I just add water, just a little bit, like half of the yam in the pot. If it's like African yam, you put the water to cover it by 1 inch. And with African yam, you season it with salt, and some people put sugar also to sweeten it up. But this doesn't need that. Just added hot water to it so it will cook faster. The other way to cook the yam is by using microwave, which is really fast, you will see. So I'm going to remove the two ends, like the end of it like that, and then the end of this like this. And then I'm just going to you can take a fork and just put a hole in it like that. But me, I just kind of like that. And then I add a little bit of water. I have hot water here, just a pinch of it. Then I put it in the microwave. It's gonna be 8 minutes, but I'm gonna do 6 minutes first. go. 6 minutes. So we're gonna break the egg. I'm gonna use 6 eggs for this. So be careful, don't let any crumbs of the shell get into So now I'm gonna season it. Like less than half a teaspoon of bouillon. And then I'm gonna put some turmeric for nutrition and color. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic. There we go. Lots of garlic there. With black pepper. And I like to put some basil too. It's good for your respiratory system and your gut. You know, basil is like very mild ephedrine, but this one is very mild. There are so many types of ephedrine I learned, so many kinds, but this one is like the cooking kind. So also I'm gonna add, now if you use canned, like condensed canned milk, you use 1 tablespoon of the milk and 1 tablespoon of water per 1 egg, if you want, with this kind of omelette. But I'm going to use almond milk. So with almond milk, I'll just use like 6 tablespoons worth of it. And I usually just pour it in. That's like, I'm just going to put a little bit of salt. I'll taste it and see if that's enough. So now we're going to put be very careful when you are opening your sardine, because you don't want to get caught, with the edge. These edges are really. So this is what it looks like. This is the water kind, the one that's reserved with water. And it has, it's tasty already, like salty, a little bit. This is really good for your family, for children, toddlers. Put everything in it. Then you mix it up. I want to be sure it's perfect. Doesn't need any more salt or anything else. So now I'm going to put the pan on the stove and I'm going to put oil and heat it up. The yam is finished for now, for the 6 minutes. Actually, it's ready. It's soft. Yeah, it's soft. Just 6 minutes in the microwave. That's it. So I'm gonna add oil. Avocado oil is what I'm using. Remember, the oil a little bit goes a long way. That's it. It's like 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add onion, chopped onion. I'm gonna check the one on the stove. Not ready at all. I added a little bit of water because I don't want to forget it and then start boiling. I'm doing all that stuff in the kitchen. It smells good. That's onion for you. And the onion, you put it in the oil, not to fry it, but just to bring out the aroma in it. And then you are ready. Now I'm gonna add the egg. Then you can see how I do it. Once I add the egg, I start shaking. Scooping it together so that it will leave room for more liquids to be cooked. You notice the yam I put it in the microwave, it was ready in 6 minutes. So microwave, it saves you the electricity money. It's done fast and done with. Because I'm using a lot of egg. You know, it depends on how many people you are cooking for. If you just use 3 eggs, depending on the size of the pan also. You're starting to see the difference. It's coming out really good. If it's scrambled egg, you can just be turning it and turning it and turning it, and then everything will come scrambled up. Real quickly, I'm going to turn this. I reduce the fire under it. All right, it's ready. Ah. Whew. And here we go. I love it. Look at that. Shall we have a taste, please? Get a little bit from the edge. You know, sometimes I put shrimp and I put mushroom in it. Look at that. It's perfectly seasoned. Really tasty. Let's see if this is ready. It's ready. Oh yeah. So you get your I forgot to tell you, the reason why I left the skin on is because it's good with skin. You know, the skin has nutrients in it too. But if you don't want the skin, you can just take it out before you scrape it up, like you will scrape up the skin on African yam, or you cut it, cook it like this, and then take it off. It's so easy, you know, to take off after cooking, like I'm doing. But I eat it. Okay. Well, here we go. And then you can just put the egg. Thank you for watching. Eshu Udabo. Till next time. Bye bye.